Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we show you how to replace the outside rearview mirror on this 2000 Ford Mustang, same as most 99 to 04 Mustangs. We do the passenger side. Driver's side is very similar. The only tools you'll need are flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and an 11mm wrench or socket and ratchet. It's recommended that you use an 8mm wrench to disconnect the negative battery cable on your vehicle. First, there's actually a pin on the front side right there. Use a flat blade screwdriver. Carefully pry the clip, and then once you get to a certain point, you can pull it out with your fingers. Okay, now right in the top of this panel is a little notch. You can insert a screwdriver and lightly pry out. And once you have this out, then insert your screwdriver down here and pry up and bring this right out. Okay, and then use a Phillips screwdriver to disconnect the switch from this panel. On this vehicle, there's two Phillips screws right here. If I remember from some of my past experience, there's either kind of a pin like there was down here, or a bolt. But I'm going to remove these two Phillips screws. Okay, and then just keep in mind there may be another fastener here as well. Okay, around your door handle, just insert a screwdriver. You want to pry the bottom first, not the top. And then pull the bottom out and then off. And up here, just with your either use your fingers or use a screwdriver, pry that panel right off. Okay, and now your door panel lifts up. Okay, and off. Okay, now your mirror is connected right here. There's just a little tab. You pull it back with your fingernail or a screwdriver, disconnect, and then you have three 11mm nuts. Take your mirror, or what might be left of your mirror, and pull it off. Okay, new mirror from 1AAuto. Just like the original. Take these little shipping protectors off. Comes with the pad and everything. Put the harness through. Through. Okay, you can use your original nuts. Start the three 11mm nuts on there. Just make sure your wire doesn't get pinched in there anywhere at all. And then tighten them. You want to tighten them firm, but you don't want to over tighten them. It has this little grommet here. Slide that up and push it down in there. Just kind of keeps it from getting chafed. Okay. And this can snap right on there. And reconnect your harness. Okay, to put the door panel back on, what you want to do is line up your lower tabs with the slots in the door. Okay, and then kind of lift it up, put your door lock in place. I need to lift the back of the panel up just a little bit. Okay. Make sure your harness comes up through. Lift up, push your panel on, start pushing it down in. Okay, and as you push it down in, you may see it do this. Just want to use a screwdriver and make sure that that goes down into the channel. Make sure it's down, make sure the panel is right against the door, all the way around. Put this corner, snap that back on, the tab that goes into the front here to hold it. Okay, our 2 screws into the panel here. Again, if you had something holding it there, reinstall that. Take our switch, put it in, and turn it over. Start one screw. Take this, put it down in back here first, and then push it down, lock it in place, and then your bezel, your door handle. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.